morning, dear Bloomy students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-at TGT English, now with the lesson with I would like to highlight some of the verbs, principal verbs. Always principal verb in active voice. Principal verb in active voice doesn't have infinitive. In active voice doesn't have infinitive. But the same principal verb in passive voice, it has two infinitive. So let us know who are those verbs are enlisted here. Make, hear, watch, behold, observe, let, bid, see, feel, find, help. These are the verbs while using in passive voice. They are always followed by to infinitive. But in active voice, they are not following. They are not followed by infinitive. Example has been here given. Okay, in passive voice followed by infinitive in passive voice. In active voice, no, not, never, but always here in passive voice. I make him write. मैं उससे लिखवाता हूँ. Here you see. Make a principal verb, write here verb. Two verbs have been given in this structure. Make and write. I make him write. Right? So really, this person, him now is the agent of action. Verb, write. Him, agent, performer of writing. Okay. यही से बनाएंगे हम. He is made, present indefinite tense. He is made to write, followed by to infinitive. He is made to write. Okay. I hear him cry. Hear him cry. Him means he is hard to cry. Hard to cry. Made के बाद infinitive. Hard के बाद infinitive. के बाद make, hear, watch, behold, observe, let, bid, see, feel, find, help. These are the verbs always followed by to infinitive, but in passive voice, not in active voice. Next sentence. I watch him play. This person, he is watched to play, to infinitive, followed by to infinitive. Watch followed by to infinitive. I see him read. Okay. He is seen to infinitive. Now affirmative sentence. In present tense, here present structures have been given here. Okay. Some examples have been given in past. I let him work hard. Let him. He was let to work hard. I paid him to. Paid. Okay. He was bidden to do. I felt the earth shake. मैं धरती का हिलना महसूस किया. The earth was felt to shake, infinitive. I found him sin. He was found to sin. Okay, I helped him stand up. He was helped to stand up. You see here, made, heard, watched, seen, let, bidden, felt, found, helped. After these, make, hear, watch, behold, observe, let bit see, fail, find, help. After these verbs, okay, you may use infinitive. Infinitive is used in passive voice after these verbs. But in passive voice, infinitive is not used. Okay, dear. On these sentences, some negative and interrogative structures have been framed here, given here. Expressions have been given here. He is not made to write. Negative structure, question and interrogative and negative too. Is he not heard to cry? Was he, interrogative, was he let to work hard? What was felt to shake? Okay, from this structure, expression, now it has been framed, interrogative sentence. What was felt to shake? Who was helped to stand up? From this, who was helped to stand up? Okay, by me. Okay, here while using by me, you may use on it may be left out. It may not be used superfluously. If necessary to mention. Otherwise, no need to mention by me. Okay, if necessary. Okay, dear. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.